what is product of sum. Okay, so these are logical expressions which can be used in different ways. Like with gates, done some minimization, etc. Right, like a b plus a bar b plus for this example, if you consider. So we have two types, like sum of products and product of sum. It's just what the name indicates. It is sum of the products. Okay, so you can see the in the example one under sum of products, it is the the what the inputs are grouped as products and then added. That is AB plus A bar B plus AB bar. Okay. Whereas when it comes to product of sums, you can see that the inputs are grouped as sums and then multiplied. That is A plus B into A bar plus B bar. Okay. So I hope that you are clear with the two terms. What is sum of products form and product of sum form. If I read the definition, you can say that a sum of product expression consists of product terms logically added. Whereas when it comes to product of sums, product of sum expression consists of sum terms logically multiplied. Okay. So you may be wondering why we need a certain form for different types. Like why can't we just add multiply everything can be. So I have said we may not have the like option to use all the gates. Some ICs will have only like a gate. Otherwise, yeah, expression is having both sum of products. Everything is there means the circuit will complicate and it will not be minimized also. Okay, and these expressions are required for your KMF, etc. Okay. So, what is a canonical form of a logic expression? Okay, so canonical form is that we have to express is a sum of products of sum. All the expressions of all the inputs. So, in the example, you can see y equal to ab plus ab bar. Okay, you can see that in this is a sum of products, and in that in both products you can see that two inputs. We are having only two inputs in that case. A and B are there in both products. That is AB plus AB bar. Whereas in the red color you can see that the output is Y is equal to defined as A plus AB bar. Where in the first product A alone is there. Okay, it doesn't have any significance. So B doesn't have any significance. So we have written as A plus AB bar, but it is not a canonical form. So we can convert that into a canonical form, like anything you can multiply. For example, in that case, A can be multiplied with 1. That 1 will be equal to something like that. So that expression can be, I will explain in the next slide. So the canonical form is there for both the SOP and POS. That is the sum of products and product of sum. The first example I have explained. The second example also you can see that A plus B into A plus B bar. It is a canonical POS where there is only two inputs. Okay, we have not defined what are the inputs and that is not given, so I am telling. In the first example, we have only two inputs. Okay. Second example is identified as a not canonical product of sum. So can anyone tell how you identified it as a not canonical POS?
Because of C, sir.
Why because of C? I have highlighted that.
So because there are three inputs.
Yes. From that expression, we can identify that A, B, and C is there. Three inputs are there, and in the first sum, already there is only two input, and in the second sum, we have only two input. But in each cases, we need to have three inputs. Okay. So
Sir,
here,
small doubt, sir.
yeah, you can.
Sir, why can't we say there should be C in place of A, sir?
Yeah, then it is correct only. If it is C plus B into B plus C, that is correct only. Then it is in canonical form.
Okay, sir.
So,
Sir, if a question is asked why it is not a canonical form, can we write both the reasons?
which are those reasons you are suggesting?
Okay, sir.
No, you are telling about two reasons, right? What are the two
Sir,
reasons?
first thing is that C should be in the place of A, and second thing can be told
No,
as A should be in the place of C.
no. That is a wrong answer. Like what I meant here is that from this expression we can understand that already we have three inputs.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is not wrong. The question is not wrong. Actually, from the expression itself, it's clear that we have three inputs, A, B, and C. Okay, so we have to write it in the canonical form is that all three must be indicated. That is A plus B plus C must be there. Okay, I will next when the conversion comes, you will understand. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is a conversion of a SOP into canonical form. In the same question, y equal to A plus B bar is converted to the canonical form. Okay, so simply you have to write that is what, as I told earlier, you can multiply A with 1. Okay, A into 1 is equal to always A. Then you can take another input, that is B plus B bar is equal to 1. Right. So we will get that, we will expand that and we will get AB plus AB bar plus AB bar. Okay, then we already know that AB bar plus AB bar is equal to AB bar itself. Okay, since it's a sum. Understood? Like we have studied too many rules before. So in that it is clear that AB, the sum of anything, like A plus A is equal to what? What is sum of A plus A? Is, yes. Similarly, AB bar plus AB bar is equal to AB bar itself. Okay. So it is expressed as minimum terms, and you will get it. This is in the canonical form. Y is equal to AB plus AB bar. Okay, this is the canonical form where we have both expressions and both in both products we have both inputs A, B, and in the next input also we have both A and B. Okay. Understood?
Sir, what is min term, sir?
That is a minimized term, like that you can see that. Okay.
Okay.
So you can do this example right now. Convert the following logical expression into canonical form. That is A plus BC bar. This question can be asked in both terms, or you write them in terms of A, B, C bar. Okay. Please do this and convey the answer. You can see this and do it in this way. Hope you already note down the question A plus BC bar. So from the question itself, it is clear that it has three inputs.
Sir, should that contain only two terms, sir?
No, like you write that and it will have three terms.
Sir, A,
Sir, I got
B, C bar.
six terms, sir.
What is that?
6 terms.
It will be the product, sum of products, that is A, B, and C will be involved.
Yes, sir. I got
Yes, sir.
something, sir, but I'm not sure if it's right.
I got
You can
6
verify
terms.
it with what you can do is that write the truth table of first case and then compare with the truth table of this one.
Truth table. Okay, sir.
Yes. You will have three terms A, B, C. So 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. Like that you write 8 values. Then find the value of A plus sorry, in that case, find the A plus BC bar, okay, and find those values. Then whatever expression you have got, and write that values and compare. Then you will be able to understand if whatever you have written is correct or not.
Yes, sir. Sir, I think it's right term B.
What?
I think it is right term B, sir.
No, you have to verify it.
Too much work, sir.
What?
The truth table will take more time. Sir. Is there any shorter way to verify?
No, you do the steps now, then you will be able to understand how it is coming.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so what's the answer that you have got?
Sir, we got like ABC plus ABC bar plus A B bar C plus A B bar C bar plus BC A bar plus BC bar A bar, sir.
You just need 3 terms.
Sir, I got 3 terms, sir. I think
I
I'll
got
put it in
5
the chat.
terms, sir.
Sir, I'll put in the chat.
Then truth table is getting verified, sir.
With my system. Otherwise, who have got 3 terms, can you show the answer? That will be better.
Sir, I sent in the chat, sir.
No, you show me camera the answer so that others can see.
Oh, sir, but truth table I didn't complete, sir.
No need for truth table. You show me the answer, I will verify.
Okay, sir. Where is it? So this 1, 2, 3.
Okay, A, B, C bar.
A, BC bar, for BC alone, 1 bar above. BC bar.
Then an extra bar. Why? That you can cancel, right? A, B bar, C.
How, sir?
A bar, sir, a total bar means what happens? B, it will become B bar, C.
Sir, we can't do that now, sir.
Why?
Sir, AB whole bar will do De Morgan now, sir. AB whole bar will be equal to A bar plus B bar now, sir.
Yes, you can write that. 1 second, let me do this. That will be better.
This is not the answer, sir.
No, you confirm it with the truth table. Then you can clarify that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, 8 terms, sir.
8
8
terms.
possibilities. No, sir, 8 possibilities for truth table.
8 possibilities. You have to verify 8 possibilities. That will take just one.
Sir.
Just take 1 minute, man.
Yes, sir.
Have anyone else written the same?
Sir, I got 6 terms and even truth table is verified, sir.
Then that
Sir, I got 3 terms.
you can write any number of terms. That is possible. That is one thing. Okay, but we need 3 terms and try to verify the truth table. Okay.
The truth table verifies, sir.
Okay. So you are getting a.
I'll put it in the chat again, sir.
Okay, okay.
A, B, C bar.
Okay, we will move on to the next one. So here the conversion of POS form into canonical form. Convert the expression into canonical form of A plus B into B plus C. So, so here also we have followed the same method, that is to add we cannot simply add 1. So instead we have added zeros. Okay, so A plus B, we know that we have 3 terms and we need to have 3 max terms here. Okay, so that is A plus B into B plus C need to be converted into A plus B plus C or C dash, whatever it will be. So like that we need 3 terms. So first we have, what we have done is that we have added a C dot C dash, C dot C dash, which will be equal to 0 the first term, and in the second term we don't have A, so in that we have added A dot A bar. Okay, so then on expansion we will get A plus B plus C, then A plus B plus C dash, and B plus C plus A, and B plus C plus A dash. In that we have A plus B plus C as common. So that one will be, like both will be multiplied, means we will get the same answer, that is A plus B plus C plus A plus B plus C dash plus B plus C plus A dash. That is 3 max terms. The step is simple. For the first one we have to do is that A plus, we have to add 1, sorry, we have to multiply with 1. So here after adding the value must not change. So what we can add, we can say add 0, that is A dot A bar or X dot A bar, X bar. Whereas in case of converting sum of products SOP into canonical form, we have to multiply with 1. Okay. So now
Sir, can you show that example, sir? This A plus B plus third point, how we got there? From C dot C bar to the next step.
yes. So that, like we have multiplied that C dot C bar into both terms. C is multiplied with both terms, that is A plus B plus C and A plus B plus C bar. And the next one also, we have multiplied that A dot C bar with the B plus C and
Sir,
yes,
X dot X will be what? X dot X.
X dot X.
X dot X is X, sir.
Yes, A into A is A. But A into A dash will be 0.
Okay, sir.
So next one is the most important part of first module, gamma, which you will be using for your life, like what you have learned, like differentiation, integration in your plus 2. So when it comes to digital, you need a hard roadmap for everything. For any animation, you need to use the camera technique. Okay. So it is necessary that you minimize any step, like I am not explaining any theories. I will go directly into the example and we will see how it works. Okay. So this is a two-way camera. Okay. This is a two-way camera. So what we do is that it's slightly different, okay, what I need and what you want. That's what I am. Okay, for doing lab, for your lab, it should don't know, you get getting the level of the it is mandatory camera. It's a very easy method. Like if you just apply your mind, you can like run camera and this is like two cameras for two input. How many methods? Like if you have what we have tried minimize someone will have problem minimize right someone will consider just using the root we can minimize that. Totally there are two input and if you have in numbers you can get the remaining integer as the two table. Okay. So let's take an example like AB. Okay, I have that there. So this is how this is like how we are taking numbers from the table only we will insert the values to the number. Don't get confused by 0, 1, 2, that is just the that is potential that is potential then scaling it by 1 that's the order of and go clockwise and then again 1, 2, 3 so clockwise and clockwise is the order on the 0, 1, 2 is the order that we have to use for two variable camera. So this is an example then we will try to multiply the expression a bar b bar plus a b bar. Okay, please write the truth table of this question. Y equal to expression y equal to a bar b bar plus a b bar. Everyone please write the truth table of the expression y equal to a bar b bar plus a b bar because that is required to write the camera.
Sir, can you explain that again? It's a bit confusing, sir.
I asked to write the truth table. Can you write the truth table first? Then I can explain it easily. So anyone did get the truth table?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Don't be lazy in writing the truth table. Without writing truth table, you can't do anything. Anything in digital, you need truth table for everything. Is there anyone who even doesn't know what is the truth table? So what is the answer here? What's the truth table here?
Sir, it depends only on B, sir.
It depends upon my. I didn't understand your question.
Sir, like it depends upon the input B, sir.
Yes, from the truth table you can directly see, but this is a simple one, right? Like
Yes.
whatever from the truth table, like without K-map also you can derive at some answers. But if it is a complicated one, and if you don't know K-map means like it will be difficult. Some like we can solve without K-map just by seeing the truth table. From this answer you can like no need this A B 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 and the answer is 1011. So you can understand that it is not related to A, but it is just the inverse of B. That is, the y is equal to B bar, right? The answer you can directly get from the truth table without using K-map. You got the answer y is equal to B bar, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
how we can you can use K-map to get the same answer? That is the work here. Okay, so for K-map, in the previous slide I explained that is how to like what is the order of input. That is zero. First one will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So first one will go in the first position, second one will go in the next position. Like that order you have to remember. Okay. So here according to the order we have put only the ones are marked. Okay. Everyone is clear on that K-map how we where why we have put 1 1 there, that in that position. Is that clear for everyone? Is the voice slow now also?
Yes, sir. Bit low, sir.
Little bit close.
Okay, I will try to hold the mic too. Okay. So is the how you are able to understand why the one has gone in that position of the Campbell?
Sir, I didn't understand, sir.
No, I am
Repeat it
asking.
again, sir.
Were you able to understand why one is put in that position, those two positions in the CAM app?
Yes, sir. As because inputs are 0 and 0 and 1 and 0, the output is 1
Yeah,
as per
we
the
have
truth
one
table.
at the position of 0 and 1 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in that A and B I have marked A 0 1 and B also 0 1 I have marked. So y is equal to 1 at the position 0 0 and 1 0. Okay, so then from that position is identified. Okay, then y from this CAM app we understood directly understood B. B we can group this, right? This 1 1 is grouped. Okay, 1 1 is grouped. So in that group you can see that value of A is changing in the both ones. Is when it is 0, when value of A is 0 and 1 also, the output is 1. So what we can understand from that? That the output doesn't have any significance to the value of A. Right? Is that
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Okay, so you can understand that from the seeing the truth table itself, you can understand that the output is not at all related with A, because when value of A is 1 or 0, we are whatever it is, we are getting the output 1. But when the value of B is equal to 0, we are getting the output 1. But when the value of B is equal to 1, we are getting the output 0. From that, it is very clear that Y is equal to B bar. Okay, right? That is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in like if for the earlier expression y is equal to a bar b bar plus a b bar, we would have required what? Two AND gates, right? We required two AND gates, and then an OR gate is required, right?
Yes, sir.
But in this case, what we require? We just require one NOT
Not
gate.
good.
Yes. So that is the importance of CAMAP. But this is a very simple one, so you will be able to understand the same by using like without the CAMAP. From just simply by seeing the truth table itself, we can understand. That's why I ask everyone to first write the truth table. Okay. In exam, lab exam also, you may get like you may not get just a 2 input. You will get a 4 input one expression. That will most cases you will require a CAM app. In some cases, you will it will be like answer will be directly related to anyone. Like if it is B, when b is equal to, so second one is 1, we are getting the output 1, that directly you may get, but in most cases it will be a complicated one. Okay, so for which you will require a CAM map. Okay, so from this like when the four variable is explained, is from this what we can understand is that if we have to input a pin code, like I have said, a password for a system, you can use this thing. If password is inputted in a direct sequential, or sequential ones will be there, or the combinational ones. Like if you are entering a set of combinations A, B, C, D, that is like it has to be 1010. If you are inputting that password, means you will get the output. Okay. So this is a three variable CAM app. We have learned a two variable CAM app. Now we will learn a three variable CAM app. Okay. So this can be actually written in this formula. Also, it can be written as inverted one also. This is not there in the slide. Like the logic is here nothing. Like you can group it as A, B, and in one side C also can be grouped, or like A can be and B, C, and can be also grouped. Whatever it is, the value of A is changing from 0 and 1, and value of B, C is changing. In this case, you have to note this one. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 1. 1 0 is in the last position and 1 1 is in the second last position. Okay, when it comes to like when it comes to three variable or four variable, the truth table will be like this. Sorry, not the truth table, the CAM app, the position of the last one will be the second last and the third one will be the last. Okay, this you have to note. Okay, while writing the CAM app. Okay, any doubt in this? The values written here are the values of BC, that is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, so when in this truth table we will have 8 combinations. So we will try to minimize this one. Please write the truth table of. Please write the truth table and give me the answer. The answer should be like 8 figure, like 10, instead of 1010 we will have 8 numbers. So first thing, if anyone is still having doubt with the truth table, I will tell. First thing is that A, B, C, we have to write. This is an 8 variable, so 3 combination is there. So 2 raised to 3, that will be 8 combinations will be there. So we'll start with 0, 0, 0, then 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Then again 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. These are the 8 combinations. Okay. Now you write, if you want, you can write A bar, B bar, like that can be separately written, or in a single structure you can write the answer. Anyone finished with the truth table? Yes. So the answer is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So in the similar way, this K-map also can be filled. Okay. The first one is the position is A B bar, sorry, A bar B C bar, right?
Sir, in your answer there is 9 digits, sir.
2 zeros only will be, sir.
Sorry. First zero is wrong. First zero is wrong.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I typed wrongly. Okay. 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So the first one will be, we have to just mark the one. That is, first one will be in the position of 0, 1, 0. Okay. So that is in the first column. That is A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 0. That is the last one in that last one. Okay. Then all other ones, all in the next half, all four variables are output we are getting as 1. Y equal to 1 in 4 times. So in the next, when A is equal to 1, every time this is become 1. So in the next line, everything is 1. Okay. So we can group it like this. All that 4 ones can be grouped as 1. And in the, these 2 ones can also be grouped as 1. Okay. So in the first case, A is not changing. In the first case, A is not changing. Okay, I will tell once again since you said it's not heard. Like we are marking all the ones first in the K-map, right? The first one is the position, and the position is A bar B C bar. That is, value of A is 0 and value of B is 1 and value of C is 0. Okay, so that is 0, 1, 0. That is the last column of first row. Okay, then rest all outputs are 1 for the next 4 values. So that is second row, all are 1s. Okay, so now how we group is that group into 2s, 4s, like that we have to group. So first we have to group here, this 2 1s are grouped and then the next 4 1s are grouped. So the output for the 4
So
1s,
why are they grouped, sir?
so you have to group it for to reduction, right? Why they are grouped? This is a step that we are doing, right?
Sir, Sir, what is that 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6?
0 and 3, 2, 7. Where is that?
So in the truth, no, in the K maps, you wrote 0, 1, 3, 2, then 4, 5, 7, 6.
Okay. That is just
And
the
decimal conversion also, like
yeah.
we are
That's just the decimal points. Okay.
okay, sir, okay, sir.
Okay. I'm sorry to confuse. Okay. So that doesn't have any significance. That is just the position. If you don't write that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, there is no requirement to write that. Okay. Without that also you can understand the position of each variable. Okay. Okay. Shall I go how we group this? Okay. So we have to group it into fours, twos, and like if example you can group it outward also. That example we will explain later. But in this case, these 4 ones are grouped as one, and this both ones are grouped as another group. Okay. So in the case of 4 ones, which is in the one row, you can see that value of A doesn't change. Okay, but value of B and C changes between 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So it is not constant. Okay, so since it is, you can understand that for that 4 ones, the value is not dependent on B and C. The value is dependent upon only A, and that value of A is 1. Okay, so we will get output when A equal to 1. That is, every time we have A is 1 from the table, truth table also we can understand. Every time when A value of A is 1, we will get an output 1. So that is clear. Right, from the truth table also without looking the K-map, we can tell that every time a value of A is 1. Like we can map it from the truth table itself. That truth table itself, if you want, you can group. That is the 4 ones. Value of A is 1. When value of A is 1, we are getting the output 1. From the truth table also, you can map. Okay. At the same time, but B and C's values are changing. That is becoming 0 and 1. So B and C is not dependent for that one. Okay. Now in the next, so if you give this, if you put F equal to A, what will happen? Then we can put that F is equal to A, right? If value of 1 is 1, we are getting every time when 1 is getting, we are directly getting the output Y. Okay. So what one case is there where in that case what is the answer? Like we are getting 1. So when that case comes, the LED won't, or we won't get the output as 1. If you wire it just like F equal to A alone in the gate, that is F equal to A directly if you give, our function will work in the last 4 cases. But in the second, like the third row where we are getting a 1, in that case we won't get, like when that case comes, or when somebody gives that passcode, the door won't open. Okay. So to include that case, we will, these 4 cases we have to be, these 4 cases are there, like if anyone enters the password 100, the door must open. If anyone enters the password 101, the door must be open. 110 also, the door must be open. 111 also, the door must be open. Okay, so that 4 cases are satisfied with just writing F is equal to A. Now one more case, in the other, but whenever somebody is entering, starting with 0, in 3 cases, it won't work. Okay, so if anyone, so what we will understand is that in the second case, value of A is not significant. Okay, because A's value is changing between, that's why we have to group it together. A's value is changing between 0 and 1. So in the second case, value of A is not significant, but value of B and C is only significant. So second case, we will write it as B C bar. So when someone enters the value 0, 1, 0, we have to get the output 1. Okay. Is this clear? How we have grouped both and how we wrote F equal to A plus B C bar? Okay, can someone answer why we put it as B C bar and not B C or B bar C?
Sir, for BC and all, we are getting 0, 1. Like, it is not independent of A.
1, 0, sir. Because it's A bar, B, C bar, and A, B, C bar. We take B, C bar common in that column.
Yes. So we have one for two cases. That is A bar, B, C bar, and in the truth table also you can see that it is one we are getting for two cases. That is A bar, B, C bar, and A, B, C bar. Okay. In that case, A is changed. In the two cases we are getting one. So, but A and A bar is there. So that is we cannot consider the value of A. But B, C bar you are getting. Okay. Or you can just look at that 1 0, the top. That is in that group. Value of BC is not at all changing. Value of BC is 1 0 in both cases. That is B, C bar. 1 0 means B, C bar. Okay. Okay. These are the examples that you can write. This you can solve. These three you can solve and send to me just like yesterday. Okay. If any you clarify your doubts in CAMAP, so you can write those three classworks.
Sir, AB also we can group and keep C separate, no, sir?
A, B. How?
Like how we put A separately and BC together in the K-map.
No, no.
AB we can.
How you are telling that you can tell me your expression. What is your expression? Then you tell me.
No, sir. Same question, sir.
Ah.
In the K-map, A we put in the column.
No, that I understand. I am telling then what will be your output. Like in this case, so I am telling that my finding is that F is equal to A plus BC bar. So what is your finding?
I'll have to see, sir. It will be something like A bar B. Oh, it will be. I don't know, sir. I'll have to see.
What is your question? Then you rephrase your questions once. You are telling that you can group A and B. I didn't understand what you are asking. That's why I asked you to write the expression.
Sir, here in place of A, I'll put C, sir. And in place of C, I'll put A. Just exchanging.
In the CAMAP you are telling. Oh, then the values also will change accordingly, right? Then also you will get the same expression.
Oh, okay, sir.
Sir, you are telling in the CAMAP instead of you are telling that this here I have grouped as a single variable as A, right? That you want to put C. And sir, that is no. First thing is that A is the most significant bit and B and C are the least significant bit. You can just swap them. Instead, if you want, you can put the CAMAP in a different way, like C, but the shape will also change. AB in the first one and C in the last one. Okay.
Yes,
like you follow one form because writing the two forms, it is no point in that. You follow this form. This is A is written, MSP is written in the one side as single digit, and the other two digits are written as in the other one.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, we will next class we will jump into four variables. Then both sides will be having AB and BC. Sorry, CD. So that will be 4 into 4 matrix.
Yes, sir. Sir, the third column, 1 1 is there, no, sir? That came up.
Okay, third column where, sir?
0 0, after that 0 1, after that 1 1 is there, no, sir?
Yes, yes.
If I put 1 1 in the last column, sir,
Yes.
I'll get the same answer, no, sir?
It won't be correct every time. That this is a step. This is a correct procedure to be followed to get the correct answer every time. Like we will get the answer correctly in some cases, but it may not be correct every time.
Yes, sir. Like we have circled the last column, no, sir?
Yes.
Instead of that, you will be circling the third column. It will be the same thing, no, sir?
Yeah, in this case it is fine. If you think, okay, I will tell you one example. Okay, this is right. Okay, you have kept it like that. But in that case, assume that we have a 1 in the first case. Zeroth value also we are having a 1. Okay. Then if this thing goes means if it is like I am telling in this example, this 1 1 instead here we have a 1 at first one also. In our truth table is like truth table is. I'll give you another truth table. 1 second. 1 see. Okay, this is the. You assume that this is the truth table. Am I audible? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Someone was asking me some doubt, right? So you assume this is the truth table. Okay, 1 0 1 0 and all fours are 1. Then we will have a 1 at the first position also. Okay, then we can group this into 4. This the first 2 and the last 2 will be grouped, and it will be becoming like a plus hello a plus c. The output will be a plus c. Okay, but instead if you write 1 0 in this position, it will be like a plus bc and a plus bc bar, which is a wrong expression. Hello.
Sir, in middle I got disconnected, sir.
Okay, I will explain once more. I am telling you another example. In this case, I agree. Like if you are putting it in this just position before, also it won't change. You will get the expression same as a plus bc bar. Okay. Okay, but you consider another truth table. In that I have put in the comments 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, same thing, but just I have added one more input as 1. That is the first one, first row. Okay. So when a equal to abc equal to 0 0 0, also the output will be 1. Okay, so we will have one more 1. Okay. You are understanding? We will have one more. We have one more 1 at this position. Can you see my hand like the mouse point?
Yes, sir.
This point we will have one more 1. Okay. So how we will group it? 1 here also 1.
What did we change, sir? I couldn't see your comment, sir. I just joined.
Okay, I am telling that this case you are telling like if this instead of putting this 1 1, if you put it instead of putting this 1 1 here, you can put it 1 0 and here 1 1. Then we will get like this here it will become 1 1, and this just need to be marked here, and we will get the same output as a plus bc bar, right?
Yes, sir.
That is your doubt. Okay, so I am giving you another example where the truth table is starting with 1. Okay, and the rest is same as this one. Okay, so what will happen? Here also the 1 will be there, right?
How, sir? I don't.
By this truth table I have just changed. I have given you a new truth table 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1. Our present truth table was 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So in that truth table here also 1 will become. Here also 1 will be there. Okay. Okay. 1 second. Okay, can you see this one?
Yes,
so
sir.
here also 1. Here also 1 will come. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So according to my method, this will be grouped as like this and like this. So this 4 will be grouped. Okay. Okay. So the answer will become y is equal to, just like earlier, a plus. Then in this grouping, what will be the answer? A's value is changing, so a will not be there. B's value is also changing from 0 to 1. So it will become a to c. Right, as per my method. Okay, but instead if you are using your method.
Sir, C complement no, sir. C bar no.
Sorry, C bar. Correct. C bar. Okay, C0, so C bar. Okay, So if we are taking your method, the ones will be coming here. Right. So we cannot be able to group like this, and we will be grouping it as like separately like this and like this. Then our y will be equal to a plus b c, sorry, b bar c bar plus again b c. Okay. But this will be, it is a wrong answer, right? And it is also not the simplified form. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
This is clarified, right? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, rest is like okay, we'll stop this class here. Okay, and I have 3 examples you must solve. Okay, that is the slide I will send. You can solve those 3. Okay, any other doubts? Any other doubts? Please ask. Like you can clarify your doubts because this is a very important topic. KMAP is a very important topic. So please clarify your doubts. Okay, so today I don't know why only 35 have come. You only asked me to arrange the class for 12:10. Okay, kindly share the slide to everyone and ask them to prepare. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Like they can see from the slide itself, they can learn. Okay. Okay. Okay, then let's wind up the class. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.